Hey guys, welcome back. So, you see in the background that I have some logs. We're going to take this and turn it into some firewood today. We're going to be cutting it up into the rounds, stacking it up and letting it dry a little bit. And the larger stuff we're going to have to split down. But for right now, we're going to get this stuff all cut up. Now, in order to do that, we're going to make it a little bit easier by putting the forks on the tractor, and we have the thumb on the backhoe on the tractor. We can pick this stuff up, elevate it, and cut it up with the chainsaw. So, I'm going to get the forks put on the tractor. You guys come along with me and check out what I'm doing. Alright guys, I've had enough for today. I got a good start on this firewood. I got the area around it cleaned up, and it's good to go. So I'm going to say so long for now, and thanks for joining me, guys. I appreciate you being here. I'll see you soon on my next episode. Bye-bye.